Hello everyone, I'm Jay.
I'm Val.
And today we're coming to you from the St. Louis Community College. And we're here for the 32nd annual St. Louis Metro Area Train Show. It's a model train show, and we've done a few in the past. So Val, what are you looking forward to today?
Well, I always love the miniatures that come with the trains and all the different scales of the trains. So I'm super excited to see what they have.
Yeah, I'm interested in seeing all of the different layouts is what they call, right?
Yeah.
I mean, they put so much time and effort, and it's going to be pretty cool. So come along with us as we Jay and Val around the 32nd annual St. Louis Metro Area Train Show. This is the Gateway Lego Users Group. This is all their social information. Here's their QR code to get to all of that information, and you can check them out. So as you can see here, we have several different models. All of this is done with Legos. This is tremendous. Look at this stuff. From what I learned too, some of this has been modified. Some of these are special kits.
Ones with a rim, metal rim. Look at this. Like the 90s, like the 2000s, just went all plastic.
Check out this train station. This is custom. This is amazing too. Look at this. It's a cave, but it's huge.
From a price point, is it better to buy something look out on eBay or the marketplace.
Do I see a Yeti in there?
Oh, so it's got a different system then. Oh,
yeah, completely different.
So Val, we're at the Mississippi Valley End Scalers.
Yep.
And what have you found here on their layout?
So you know me, I've got to find the spooky with it being October. Come on. So I found a really cute pumpkin patch on one of their layouts. The detail that they put into the layouts is just crazy.
I think the lights just do so much fun.
Yeah. And then over here, they have a layout of your typical Saturday night at a Waffle House.
Oh yeah, look at that. There's a car crash. There's some EMS, tow truck.
And that late night eating at Waffle House after you've been out.
This is really cool too. Look at this. It's looks like a construction site.
And then there's like their standards for the curves. Yours starts. I start right here. And then the water tower is mine as well. Oh, it's a little bit quick. Why'd you go and do that? The only thing that's off the shelf is the post, plus on the bridge.
So I have to point out something here in this layout. So in St. Louis, this is our Amtrak Gateway Station, which is downtown. Check out the detail of the walkways for the actual train station. As we go around, I was told that actually everything in this section right here was Google Earth and researched, and it was actually made to scale. They drew up the plans and then they printed it all out, and voila, here you go. I mean, they even came up with the Arnold Water Tower, which is a city just south of St. Louis. Literally, even this overpass is exactly where it would be in St. Louis.
This is considered a triple.
Crazy.
This would be a double. Ketchup bottle, that's it. Oh, this That's how it works. Jackson, will you run this? Yeah.
Everything we're working on now, I don't have a detail. Once I get.
Okay, so here we have Kirkwood Station. This is a model of downtown Kirkwood. It's got the old-time trolley on there that we used to have. So you've got your OK Hatchery. You got the feed and garden store. I'm taking that's the courthouse for Kirkwood.
Actually, it looks like City Hall.
City Hall. There you go. That trolley going back and forth catches my eye every time. We got the hay, grain, flour, and feed mill. And of course, you have Kirkwood Station that still stands today.
How old is
We got two more.
So this layout here, Tom is showing everybody the Z scale, which we all know, the larger the letter, the smaller the train. At least that's what I found out. And the fun part is that they always make the layout to the same size. That's perfect. Look at that. The two trains going right into the tunnel. Look at the tiny buildings. And I don't know what that is. Is that a farm? Is that a barn? Not sure. And I have no clue what is in that lake or pond right there, but it doesn't look right.
I know it.
And guys, you have to check out this layout. So this is T scale, which I thought Z would be the smallest. Oh heck no. T scale is even smaller. Check this out. I can't even believe that he made the buildings to scale. You have to see this in person to see how small this really is. He has a mountain or a rock, if you will, with a tunnel through. And what Tom told me was that the engine actually runs on the battery in your cell phone, the one that makes it vibrate. So somebody figured out how to use that and put it in a train, which made it small and smaller and smaller. And that's how you get the T scale.
What is the train?
This train.
Now this is no.
So Valerie,
Yes.
if you turn that crank, it'll actually make the train move. You'll actually be generating the electricity that's needed to make the train actually go around the track.
So let's see if I can do this.
Yeah, crank your heart out. Valerie, don't go too fast. You don't want it to go off the track. Valerie is cranking and cranking. The train's getting slower, Val. Why?
Because this tires you out.
That is cool.
So over here at this layout, this is for Model Train News, and what they do is they have people donate or give them different trains, model trains to review. And all of the trains here are G scale, and they've all been reviewed. Some of them have been purchased by Justin, who actually is the one who reviews everything at Model Train News. Also, some of them have been given to him by certain companies. LGB seems to be the company that sends him a lot of different pieces and parts, different types of train sets and engines and cabooses. So check out all of the different G scales that he brought to the Model Train show today. So to make all the layouts that we've been showing you, all of these vendors in the center here, they all sell different pieces that you would need. Tracks, different trains, different cars. What else do they have, Val?
A little bit of everything. They have the, you know, with the tracks and stuff, they have like all the little things that you need. The the trees, the playgrounds, the buildings.
Yeah, they have the miniatures, full sets, some individual pieces. But if you want to start your own layout and become a model train enthusiast, you got to come to one of these shows. I will tell you this, every single person here, they are very enthusiastic about what they do, very proud of everything that they do, and they're very knowledgeable, and they want to sell you the correct pieces to start your layout. So
if you want to start your train set, everything you need is at these shows. You've got to come out and see these shows.
And you got to talk to everybody who puts this on and everybody who puts the layouts together, because they are amazing people, and
they'll tell you everything you need to know, like detailed information that you need to know for sure to start your own sets. So you know me, I'm gonna have to find the spooky going on around us. And look at this UFO cafe made by Lionel. This is so awesome. But look at these great Halloween train cars that they have. Sleepy Hollow, another Sleepy Hollow. These Halloween trains are awesome. These cars are fantastic. This one's got a vampire and a skeleton. Area 51. They even have a witch's water tower. How cool is that?
So guys, look at this model. This is perfect for me because it shows all of the different scales. The T scale is the one in the front, which is the smallest. I don't know if you can even look at that. Look at how small that bad boy is. Then there's the Z scale. The one after that is the N scale. The one after that is the HO scale, which is, I don't know, Christmas, right? It's the ho-ho scale. Then you have the S scale. You have the O scale. And this big one in the back is the G scale. This is a perfect model for somebody who's novice, who doesn't really know the different sizes. So this layout here, we'll start on this side, as we got a nice N-scale train coming through. It reminds me of back home. I'm from New England, from Rhode Island, and this area right here would be like considered the salt marshes by where I used to live. And check out the lighthouse in the middle. And the boat just behind. Very, very, very cool. So check out this section here. It's giving me Branson vibes. These are duck boat tours. They're actually like trucks or vans that are aquatic. They go in the water and then they turn into boats.
Everything they make is backwards.
Over here you have a nice resort. Got the pool. Everybody's looking like they're having fun.
That's one of those beach products that works. This is for.
This here says Hotel Cafe. You gotta eat sometime, right?
What's your buddies?
Even in a layout, you still gotta eat.
But those things, the thing you're talking about.
Also, check out the hills here and the background, the painted background. All of this stuff is so cool. You guys check out the castle up here on the hill as well.
There are current models that look like that out there.
It's amazing. Look at the detail on that with the little stairs. And there's a little cave that the path goes down to. This is amazing stuff, really. The things they come up with and think about, right?
There is an events calendar on that website that has all the upcoming tracks. If you track every trade show within like a couple of hours.
So this layout here is American Flyer, the S Gaugers of St. Louis. And this is their information if you need to get a hold of them. So this part of the layout here, we'll start here. Check out this barn, and it looks like apple trees maybe. They have a bridge. And then I'm not sure what city this is, but whatever it is historic. Look at how old it is. It's so cool. Is that a car dealership right there, it looks like? And it looks like we're behind like the main street. And check this out. Welcome to the neighborhood. So what stopped me first is the facade here. All of the painting, all of the cutouts, it's all handmade, all hand done. Now this used to be an HO track and they pulled it apart and now it's S gauge. Just look at this. This is amazing. Now, if you're a Route 66 enthusiast, you will know Merrimack Caverns. This is one of those things where they put the advertisement on the barns, And those are going away fast. There's not a whole lot of barns left with that kind of advertisement on it. So it's really cool to see them do it in a model. Oh wow, look at this. It grabs the kegs.
Missed it right there.
It did miss it though, but I mean it is old. You said it's from 1957 to 1959.
55 to 57.
55 to 57. It's old, so you got to give it kind of a little bit of a break, right? I mean, he's way past retirement.
They even gave the man a name. He was called Louis the Loader.
Louis the Loader. That's fantastic. Look at that.
This stuff was made by the A.C. Gilbert Company. They made the Rector sets and chemistry sets.
Check out this UFO. I think the farmer there is saying, eat more chicken. Here comes the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Is it going to be fast enough? Is it going to get to... Nope. Alrighty. The 32nd annual St. Louis metro area model train show is over. How did I get through that? I don't know. Valerie, what are you wearing?
A conductor's hat. I get to be a conductor today.
My goodness. So, did you learn anything today?
Oh my gosh, the passion that these guys have for their trains and their layouts is phenomenal. I can't even put words into it. They could talk for hours on how they came up with their ideas and what they have to do to get it from their thoughts onto the board.
Yeah, their vision, and then they, but before their vision, right, they pay so much attention to detail behind the scenes. They literally do research. They go on Google Maps. They take pictures so that they can draw all of their facades. I mean, they are complete artists. They love what they do, and they're very, very proud of what they do.
Very passionate.
Very passionate. I will tell you this. I thought, man, it's model trains, right? You just make a layout to make it nice and look nice, you know, for the track and the train to go through. Oh, no. These guys are looking at it in a whole different way. They're looking at it as making things exactly to scale, right? So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers.
It'll tell you when the next video is coming out, and it'll keep you in the loop.
And it'll also let you see Valerie in her conductor hat. We want to thank you for coming along with us and learning a little bit more about model trains. And we want to thank you for Jay and Valing around with us.